welcome to a short channel update. As many of you know, I just started to build the Lockheed Super Connie, but there's a little changing of plans because I decided to join my first group build ever, and this will be the RAF 100 anniversary group build hosted by Mr. Tim Hadworth, and it goes from the 1st of April to the 15th of July. My entry to this group build is this kit here. It's the Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb in a scale of 1/24, and I ordered some laser cut frames to make life a little bit easier. Okay, let's have a look at the kit. As you see, this is polish, but we have also instructions in English. I removed the middle part from the booklet. We have to first instructions. Nice and detailed. So these are the instructions. And for a better view, I removed the printed parts. See, nice detailed printing. Things. Fuselage, props, seats, cockpit parts, undercarriage parts, wheels, frames. Okay, so much from the kit. Now we're gonna have a short look on the laser cut frames. Different languages, which is very nice. Okay. These are the frames. I think it looks like this is all, not much, but well appreciated. So much for now. Stay tuned for update video number 1. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy modeling. Bye bye.